Different laser output methods. Pulse laser cleaning machines output laser energy in the form of pulses. That is, they generate high-energy laser pulses in a short period of time and focus them on the surface that needs to be cleaned. The output of pulsed lasers has high peak power and short pulse width. Continuous laser cleaning machine outputs laser energy in the form of continuous wave, that is, it continuously outputs laser energy instead of in the form of pulses. The output of continuous laser has stable power and continuous energy output. Continuous laser cleaning has certain applications in medical, device disinfection, paper cleaning, and other fields. Compared with pulse laser, continuous laser has lower energy and is more suitable for cleaning objects that require continuous heating. Pulse laser cleaning machines are widely used in various industries, such as automobile manufacturing, electronic equipment, aerospace, semiconductor processing, etc. It can be used to remove various contaminants such as paint, oxides, welding slag, etc. Because pulse laser cleaning has the characteristics of high energy and short action time, it is suitable for cleaning objects with high surface requirements. Pulse laser cleaning machine can produce instantaneous high temperature and high pressure, effectively remove contaminants on the surface of objects, and has a good cleaning effect. Because pulsed laser cleaners have less impact on the substrate, they can clean all types of surfaces more safely. Due to the low temperature of continuous laser, the cleaning effect is relatively weak and cannot handle fragile or easily meltable materials. However, continuous laser cleaning usually has a certain effect on some rough surface cleaning. Compared with pulse laser cleaning machines, continuous laser cleaning machines have lower equipment costs and are suitable for large-scale industrial cleaning needs and high-precision parts without damaging the material. A pulse laser cleaning machine is the most suitable choice.